Hi and welcome to one of Crofts video viewings. Today we're at number 4 Plumtree Drive in the lovely village of Marshchapel. This is a 2-bedroom detached bungalow. It's offered for sale with no forward chain. Let me take you inside. As you can see from the front garden, it's gravelled, set with a range of established shrubs, bushes and plants. Really nice, attractive garden. Now, stepping into the property, you have a small entrance porch at the front. Let me just spin around so you can have a look. PVC door to the front there, and then you've got an inner door just leading through into what I'll describe as an open plan living and hallway area. So as you can see, it's been opened up there. Now, living room's a nice size actually on this one. Again, I'll spin around so you can see. Bay window to the front, further PVC window to the side. On this one, it's got electric heating. This room has storage heaters and a couple of them are electric radiators. Now, as I said, what they have done, as you can see, it's opened up this one as you come into the hall. But if you wanted to, it would be very easy for anybody to put a stud wall along. If you wanted a separate inner hallway, you could actually separate it off, door into the living room, make it more enclosed if you wanted that sort of style. And it wouldn't be a big job at all. So it's quite an easy thing to do if anybody wanted, but it is quite nice being open because it adds a lot of light into the area itself. Now, as I said, it's 2 bedrooms, this one, both of which are doubles, but what I'm going to do is show you the kitchen area next. Now, property is a detached 2-bedroom bungalow, has got an extension to the side which is give it a utility, but I'll show you that in a minute. Kitchen is a kitchen diner or breakfast kitchen, range of fitted units. Space there for under-counter fridge, but of course you've got the utility, which I'll show you, for another fridge freezer if you want. Electric cooker point, PVC window to the rear. As I said, there's like an extension to the side of this one, which gives the opportunity here for the utility. Plumb for the washing machine, space for a fridge, and then storage units over to the opposite side. Now, just walking back, I'll show you the bathroom and the bedrooms. Bathroom's got a pedestal basin, WC and panel bath. Airing cupboards in the bathroom as well. And then, like I said, you've got 2 double bedrooms, one being to the rear. Just pull that back so you can have an idea. So you can see, double bedroom, window there overlooking the rear garden. If I just spin round, they've got a freestanding wardrobe there, so it shows you the space that's on offer. Second bedroom is located to the front of the property. Again, it is a double bedroom. Window to the front, again electric radiator. It's quite pleasant. As you can probably see, the property is neutrally decorated throughout, pretty much ready to move into. And then you can make your own changes as and how you feel free to do so. Now, out the back door, got a nice wide driveway. It's got gated access at the front, double gate in the middle, single personnel gate as well. But as you can see, nice wide actual driveway, and spin round there, and the garage there, which has an electric roller door as well. Now, you've got side gates there to the back garden, so it offers a great degree of security and privacy. And the garden's pretty much like the front garden, gravelled with mature shrubs, trees and plants. Often an abundance of colour, especially in the flowering season. I mean, it's just dying off now, but you can see what there was here. But of course, plenty of blank canvas for somebody to do. If you didn't want this, you could take a lot out. You could re-lawn it, you can remove the gravel. It's personal choice, really. To the corner of the garden, you have a timber summer house. I'm just going to walk down there as well and spin round so you get a better idea of the garden and the bungalow itself. It's a real nice garden. Fortunately, it's a bit cloudy today, so you can't really see the garden to its full potential. Lots of sun comes into here. And again, if I spin round that way, you'll also see, as I scan around from the back, the garden enjoys a great degree of privacy as well. So again, there's a bench literally stood where I am now. So if you sat down, nobody's overlooking you at all. So it's nice that as well. As I said, brick built garage, peak roof, electric door to the front, side window as well. Now the property is offered for sale with no forward chain. If you do want to view the property, if you give us a call on 01472 200 666, we'll be very pleased to get you round to view. It really is a nice bungalow, this one. Plenty of space. Like I said, a bit of potential with this as well, subject to what people want out of the personal options. But like I said, a real nice property. Like I said, give us a call 01472 200 666. Thank you.